afternoon, Kings and Queens. Checking this live out here in Norfolk. The damaged Hurricane Matthew stricken area that we are utilizing efforts right now to help with the cleanup. Interested in helping clean up. We just want to show you, how real it is out here. So everybody wasn't knowing that Virginia got hit really hard by Hurricane Matthew. A lot of areas were flooded. Right now, I'm over here at the overpass, and it's not looking too good. I'm gonna flip this around for y'all real quick. Flip this around. You know what I'm saying? We got cars that tried to make it over the jump, couldn't quite make it. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna be starting efforts in a few hours to help with this. Right now we have this overpass. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but there's cars that's crazy submerged. We're putting together efforts now. If y'all like to help clean up Norfolk, the Norfolk uprising in a few hours, please let me know. You got the number. Like I said, it's a little bit crazy out here. I'm over here at this overpass. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 cars that were fully submerged in this overpass. They got swept away by the water. You know what I'm saying? But this is just one part. This is part one. We're going to be touching down in all the communities in Norfolk, helping with cleanup efforts. If you know any neighborhoods that have been hit, please let us know. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's didn't know that it got crazy out here. Like, that's a tow truck, and they were probably trying to save somebody. Fully submerged. We out here right now, just trying to see where all the damage is at, try to assess everything, and we're gonna be helping people. Like I said, so if you know there's some neighborhoods in Norfolk that need some help, please let us know. Like if you're able to help, right now we got a car full of supplies. We could always use more. We're also about proactiveness. Like I said, if you come out here helping, it's a little bit crazy. I'm pretty sure y'all can't help with this, but we're about to be visiting some of the harder hit areas. Representing Black Lives Matter 757. It's not always about marching. It's not always about, yelling and screaming. Sometimes you gotta reach out a hand and actually help your brother. Sometimes you actually gotta do some dirty work. So that's what we're prepared to do right now. Like I said, once again, this shit crazy. Like, it's fully submerged. Like, these are trucks. They thought they could have made it through this overpass, but it didn't go down like that. So but thank y'all for helping out here, man. With the city work, it's crazy. How long I think it's gonna take till it gets cleaned up or till it gets empty?
It takes a while when that water go out. You got a building down here. You got a building down here.
Nah, I would say we out here helping with Black Lives Matter 757. We're trying to help with cleanup or see wherever we can, wherever we need. We're trying to assess the damage right now. It's okay. Like this time of year.
Boulevard. It runs parallel like this right here.
So y'all heard right here. We're gonna see where exactly we can help. And we gonna help. If you want to help too, hit my line. We got man Ayo out here. We're out here. Get it rolling. Everybody puts hashtags when we see people hurt in other cities. We got our own city that needs some help right now, so we can get share happy, we can get hashtag happy. We can do what we ever need to do, man. But these people need help. So if you're able, willing, you got a working vehicle, you're not far from Norfolk, you don't got too much going on today, you want to help, inbox me, text me, share this, do whatever you got to do. But like I said, this is just one of many areas we'll be touching down in. I'll check back in with y'all with a few minutes after we get a little more situated and assess some more damage. Right now we're working on a few more entities helping on board because we didn't know it was this bad. Like seeing it just from behind Facebook, we thought it was just a few areas, but it's real bad out here. So if you can help, please do. If you can't, prayers are always needed. We need cleaning supplies. People need clothes. We need toiletries. We need feminine hygiene products. We need something people don't think of. We need kids' toys, we need Similac, we need diapers. And some people need vehicles, honestly, now. I don't know how the insurance thing's set up, but however you can help, please. I'm begging almost about, if you can help, please help.